said, where are you from? Where are you from? It means in Igbo language, ebe ka isi, or he said, onye ebe ka ibu. Onye ebe ka ibu is preferably used. Where are you from? Onye ebe ka ibu. And then you are responding. I'm saying, like, for instance, I'm saying I am from Anambra State. Abum onye Anambra State. That's in Igbo language. Abum onye Anambra State. And if you're from a state, like maybe you're from any other states, you say Abum onye Imo State. Where are you from? Ebe ka isi, or onye ebe ka ibu. Abum onye Anambra State. I am from Anambra State. Where do you live? Kedu ebe ibi. Where do you live? Kedu ebe ibi. I live in Lagos. Ebim na Lagos. Ebim na Lagos. And then you talk about how to tell somebody welcome. Somebody's coming back. They want to tell somebody just came back. You just want to tell the person welcome. He said, no. No. Daddy is back from work. He said, Daddy, no. Daddy, welcome. Mom, welcome. He said, Mommy, no. Or Mom, no. Or no, Mommy. No, Daddy. Or Daddy, no. Or Mommy, no. It depends. Any of them can go. You can choose to say no, Daddy, or Daddy, no. Both are the same. Welcome, Daddy. Daddy, no. Welcome, Mommy. Mommy, no. Or he said, no, Mommy. No, Daddy. And then now you talk about how to say I am sorry. You want to tell somebody I am sorry, somebody offended you. Sorry, you offended somebody and want to say I am sorry. He said, ndo, 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 I am sorry. Ndo, I am sorry. Now talk about thank you. How do you say thank you in Igbo language? He said, imeela, imeela, or dalu. Imeela, dalu. And again, talk about how do you say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye in Igbo language means kemesia, kodi, kemesia. Alright, we're stopping today here, so we'll continue next time at the next video on how to use other words, phrases in Igbo language and their meaning in English. Alright, take care. Bye.